Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Best Wedding Video Transitions Final Cut Pro. Visual Effect Plugins by Premium VFX. FX Factory. 1 Parallax Transitions. Take your project to the next level with 30 beautiful, modern and super cool professional animated parallax transitions. Plus 1 bonus title included. 2 Dynamic Transitions. Combine different transitions to get a unique result. Easily visual effect plugins rotate, swipe, zoom. Three modern transitions. Fantastic looking transitions made by professionals. Perfect for any project. Multiple aspect ratios and 4K ready. Plugins puzzle, rotating, slide, access style. Four light speed transitions. Fast, seamless, simple and easy use in any type of project to get a unique result. PL Eugen's perspective, swipe, zoom, axis rotate, clock, replace, rotate. 5. Six Ultimate Transitions. A complete collection of popular transition styles to enhance your videos. PL Eugen's free gifts: basic, creative, dynamic, fade, glass, glitch, light leaks, parallax, shapes, slice, split screen, text. Seven Shape Transitions. Shape Transitions offers more than 50 powerful moves that can be easily customized. PL Eugen's circles, creative, geometric, lines, simple. 8 Camera Moves Transitions. Transitions that imitate camera movement, including zoom, pan, and spin effects. 9 Split Transitions. Give to your project a unique and stylish look with this pack of 29 transitions professionally animated. Seamless Transitions. 75 seamless transitions that simulate camera movements, zoom, pan, and perspective rolls.